Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix wireless adapter missing on Windows. Go to device manager, go to view, and select show hidden device here. As you can see, some of them are like hidden like this. To like enable them all again, you're just going to select action and you're going to select scan for hardware changes, and hopefully it will be back after that. If that doesn't work still, just go to network settings, view networks connections, and as you can see, some of it is disabled. You can enable your wireless adapter there. If you still can't find it, you go to network and internet, and you're just going to troubleshoot the settings. I can't do that here. Oh, well, I guess here. You can also reset your network here as well. I'm not going to do because I don't want to remove my internet, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.